Maker 8792 after 3 video, and I finally fixed why my video was dark. It was my camera lighting brightness level. While I was decluttering and then cleaning up, I decided why not film a video of my new item that came to me. So the first item that I'm gonna put on my face is this Kittenish Glow Face Pad by Jessie James Decker, collab with Alexa Persico Cosmetic. I believe I found this through one of the many makeup accounts I checked up on. I first saw this, I fell in love. I tried to find any video, promo, teaser, review to see what the swatches look, but like nowadays you only see swatches after it released, or a few weeks it released. There was not a lot of promo of this item. I believe the collab person, Jessie James Decker, knew that it's gonna be a sellout, so she didn't really promote it as much as her first round. And it's very big, and I guess it's worth the price point. This palette did not came alone. It came with a brush, and the brush came with a brush guard. After touching this and putting on my face and applying it, I hope this brand released their own brushes because this is so soft, like really soft. So we're gonna try this one brush with 3. I'm not putting my highlight, this big ass brush on. Nah. I'm gonna use a different brush for the highlight. So we're gonna use Cocoa, this contour shade. The color, I don't really see any difference, so let's try my toilet brush. I guess I'm so used to this toilet brushes that I don't know how this brushes apply the contour, or the color is so pale that I can't see it. Maui Me, this bronzer. Usually a bronzer I only do on the cheek, softly on the cheek, and maybe on my forehead, but other than that I don't really bronze anywhere else. I think it's just me. I don't really notice when I bronze my face or contour my face, so I hope I add something to it. Rose cheeks. Oh, that's a good amount of blush. This is new to me, and after a certain amount of use, I love it. And this replaced my Laura Mercier. It just set everything so nicely, and I've been using it since. And before I proceed, I'm gonna spray my face in between so I don't look dry as fuck. Also, I bought a mini set with the Pretty Vulgar powder and the spray. I'm gonna buy the full size. I am only using Moon Dust on my nose because I have another highlight to use on my cheek. You saw that? Now I'm adding 2. Whoa, look at that glow. Let's put on that lip. Oh, that's good. That's highlight goodness. Here's my quick opinion about the formula. It seems powdery, but when you use a tool to pick up the color, there's not really a lot of fallout. It just sticks on the tool.